Number 1. Dodge Truck. 1941 year of issue. The 1941 Dodge Truck was a robust and reliable vehicle commonly used for commercial purposes and during wartime. It featured a sturdy construction, utilitarian design, and was powered by various engine options suitable for hauling and heavy-duty tasks. Its durability and functionality made it a popular choice among businesses and individuals needing a dependable workhorse. You are looking at a WWY 1941 Dodge WC3, open top, weapons carrier, World War II military vehicle project. This is a 1-2-ton Wolf R4 project with manual transmission and a 2.6L flat 6 engine. It appears that it may have originally been issued to the Marine Corps. The sheet metal is super solid on this truck. It is missing the radiator. There can't be many of these around, as most of them went overseas during the war and never came home when the war was over. I feel that my price of $4,500 links to listings below. Number 2. Ford F-350, 1970 year of issue. The 1970 Ford F-350 was a heavy-duty truck known for its robust performance and towing capabilities. It was part of Ford's F-Series lineup and offered a range of powerful engine options. With its sturdy construction and rugged design, the F-350 was popular among commercial users and those needing a reliable vehicle for heavy-duty tasks. You are looking at a 1970 Ford F-350 flatbed hauler, nice 8CLD truck with a 360 and manual transmission. This would make someone a good work or farm truck. I feel that my price of $5,500 is very realistic for a classic vehicle like this one with the potential that this vehicle has. Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 3. Willys Jeep, 1947 year of issue. The 1947 Willys Jeep was a versatile and rugged vehicle originally designed for military use. It gained popularity as a civilian vehicle due to its off-road capabilities, compact size, and reliability. The Jeep's iconic design and durability made it a favorite for outdoor enthusiasts and practical everyday transportation. 1947 Willys Jeep. Wagon ATTN Restorers. This classic, 1940s Willys wagon, is truly a diamond in the rough. The frame and undercarriage had been undercoated. Flathead 4 kilns. Engine 6. Volt electrical system. 3. Speed on the column. Manual transmission, rear-wheel drive. Fully restored these. Number 4. Mercury Monterey. 1960 year of issue. The 1960 Mercury Monterey was a stylish full-size car known for its elegant design and luxurious features. It offered a smooth ride, spacious interior, and a range of engine options for different performance levels. The Monterey was popular among buyers looking for a blend of comfort, performance, and classic American style during the early 1960s. 1960. Mercury Monterey Project. Here is a super solid 1960 Mercury. It runs drives and stops bin sitting for many years. It's super solid. Original paint with great patina. Needs interior work or some Mexican blankets over the seats? Support the creation of our videos with your subscription. Number 5. Chevrolet Dump Truck. 1946 year of issue. The 1946 Chevrolet dump truck was a robust and utilitarian vehicle designed for heavy-duty hauling and construction work. It featured a durable construction, powerful engine options, and a hydraulic dump bed for easy unloading of materials. The Chevrolet dump truck was a popular choice among businesses and contractors needing a reliable and capable work truck during that era. (1946) Chevy 1.5-ton dump truck. It has been sitting for years, but is good condition. Would be a great prospect to restore. Body is straight and in good shape. There is only 2 small dents in the passenger fender, and the only rust is above the windshield.